Hi friends, welcome to Ftopreview.com. In this video we are learning how to identify your graphics card memory data rate. So it is very simple. I am using Windows 11 laptop. I am also installed NVIDIA graphics driver and also I am using Quadro RTX 5000 graphics card on my laptop. So how to check that? Simply right click on your desktop, then select show more options, then select NVIDIA control panel. Okay, after that you will get this window, and left bottom side you can see here there is system information. Click on that, then you will receive this window you can see here, and here you can identify what is your memory data rate. It is about 14 Gbps and memory interface is 256 bit and memory bandwidth is 448.06 GB per second. So in this way you can easily identify your memory interface, bandwidth and data rate on this screen. So that's guys very simple tutorial, and if you need any kind of Android or iPhone or PC or Mac tutorial, just comment below. I will post my replacements videos so you can easily watch and understand it. And if you enjoy this video, please like, comment, share and subscribe our channel for getting more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.